Never start entry before divine your variable, as you have said earlier. That's the last part. We won't say more than that. Never start data entry before divine the variable view. So we have the first part of the our screen tools. We have this. We have this. Before we go to volume 3, you have the ready or running with or on, and most cases you won't be dealing with this. So we have the third part, that's the output window. Let me show you the output window. This is the output window. Here is our output window. Here is because we've not run any data. So if we click on the run data like this, so let me just test run for this one. Let me analyze. Let me say, okay, descriptive statistics and frequency. Let me just analyze this, and you see the variable. And let me say, okay, the level of study. Let me do for everything here. Let me just test one. So if you want to do anything for this one, maybe you are dealing with the quartile, the mean, median mode. Let me say, let me do for everything for the frequency and the sum. Even the sum we can do for quartile, depending on what you are told to do. You can do for everything here. So the skewness and kurtosis, if you want to do for this one too, you can do anything that you like to do, but you follow instruction most times because they will say, okay, do this and do that. The range you can do for everything. Continue and press okay. If you want to do the charts, let's see, bar chart, pie chart. The one that you want to do, most case we'll be using pie chart, bar chart, because we are dealing with the total mark. You can use this histogram too. So the bar chart is the best for frequency. So we continue and press OK. So this is the output. Here is what we said for the output window. It will run the output for us. Shows the result of analysis, table, chart, and test statistics. Because we have not, it will show if you analyze for regression also. If you go to regression and analyze also for regression, if you analyze for maybe the correlation, you can do for correlation. And okay, we go to general. So here is our output. So it's already, this is what we call the output window. Here is our output. So let me maximize it and see. Here is our output. It displays everything that we want in the output. So here is it, gender of the respondent, level of study. So you see, this is what we said about the label. So it's defined for it to be easily accessible for everyone. So we have a mistake, a typo error for this level of study here. We can still change this one, respondent. We can change it if we want to. We now rerun the analysis. If we change it, you rerun the analysis. But let's proceed so to not waste our time. So that's all for this, and for output window, and that's all for volume 2. You have note data view input, output result. Output view is the result. So that's all what you need to note there. And we are going to volume 3 next. So we are going to volume 3 in our next video. So be looking forward. We are going to the next video, that's the volume 3. So we'll be doing the interpretation and how to interpret SPSS outputs, and one-page sheet for SPSS output interpretation. So be looking forward to see you there. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.